Hey guys, Firecracker Sam here. We are out in Amargosa Valley, Nevada, and I'm posting this video, or I'm taking this on the 4th of July. It's most likely going to be posted after. So I can't really show you a full stash video like most people do, like in their house or in their garage, because I didn't have much time. But I'm going to show you all the product I have, but most of it's, or a lot of it's already fused up. All the shells are already fused. So let's go through the shells first. We've got two types of shells. We've got voodoo balls and warlocks. Okay. Fast fuse, warlocks. Fast fuse, warlocks. Fast fuse, warlocks and voodoo balls. Big's perfect fuse. Yeah, Big's perfect fuse. This stuff burns at 10 seconds per foot, and it is I believe that's voodoo balls and warlocks. Fast fuse, voodoo balls and warlocks. This one's only voodoo balls, a 20 shotter over here, and that's fast fuse. And this is Big's perfect fuse, a mix again. So most of the racks, anything with fast fuse is going on the finale. This finale is going to kick ass. We're going to show these guys what we're doing. You can see they're already all stabilized out here. Looking pretty good. Now let's go through some cakes. We've got jet propulsion, star chamber, and this stuff's already fused. I haven't done much cake fusing. I got sick when I started fusing this up. I recently had a stomach flu. My stomach is acting up. Everything's feeling good now though. What's going on over here? We got a non-shotter. I think this is real deal. I can't really pull it out right now. Let's see. Stars over the Alamo. By the way, this is all wholesale. There is a shizzle. Got a case of that. There's a voodoo balls case over here. In the star chamber. Oh, picked up some candles from Area 51, some firecrackers too. We got Blue Thunder and Flashing Thunder. Got some wanded titaniums over here. Yeah, wanded titaniums, a half brick, buy one going free, so it's a full brick basically. And then some rockets and more firecrackers. All this is covered up because we got a thunderstorm warning in, and we raced to cover it up. But let's see, I'm not gonna uncover it right now. Let's see what's under here though. We've got Chaos, a 200 grammer. Amaze Me, another 200 grammer. Cosmic Collision. Amazing. These are all empty by the way, these tubes. Robo Shot. The shizzle, that's the case. It's very windy out here by the way. And a case of Diablo Fountain. And let's see what's under this over here. Star chamber case. I think there's something else. It feels like there's something else. Oh, there's bottom one right here. Real deal. There we go, real deal. Then we got 16,000 roll over here. Car. Open this up. It is hot out here now. Flash. Sometimes it gets in the hundreds. Okay. It's not, you can't feel it. Sorry, we're talking to each other here. 16,000 roll Alamo firecrackers, big shot. Not the best firecrackers, but for the price, very good. And before I leave you all, this is gonna be sweet. Covered it up again. I'll see if I can open it up a little bit for you. It's a 20 shot, and again, I'm not directly hovering over this, quick matched. 20 shot mine front. Just consisting of all the tubes that I got from the things. Critical Flame mines. It's actually 19 shot because I tested one of them. But, so yeah, that's it. And found these two guys over here. My dad and the assistant from Alamo Fireworks. This would not have been possible. I was feeling so sick earlier. I just did not think I was going to be able to put the show on. And then drank a little bit of ginger ale. Sickness went away. Started kicking some ass. Oh, and thanks to Steve at Crew. I think his name is John. I forgot. If I would not have bought these quick fuse clips, I would not have had time to fuse it. I know how to fuse regularly, but these quick fuse clips just make it a hell of a lot easier to fuse everything up. I was doing racks in like 5 minutes apiece. This is our setup, not our final setup, but over here. Let's have the shelf right now. We just haven't. Not in California. I live in California, but we're shooting in Nevada, and it's all legal. I'll be videoing the show in a little bit, in like 4 hours. Thanks for checking my video out. Firecracker Sam.